Look at all the dogs. Look at all the birds. Look at all the birds.
Good morning, chickens. Yeah, we barbecuing.
Oh yeah. Dogging it, dogging it.
Another event setup done. This time very early in the morning. Early in the morning before the hot heat coming. We got a day of 96 degrees coming up. Hi guys.
Hi.
Field trip here today.
Nice.
Yeah. Nice.
Two, right, left.
Garlic harvest. Who wants shiitake? Another chicken coop arrives in Chickenville. Converted from this old trailer. Very nice.
So it's a little bit of work still to do, but it's the basic concepts.
Tomatillo harvest. Finn, the guardian of the tomatillos. Go.
Flower power, baby, flower power.
Blue skies, flowers. Made by Diane and friends.
Yeah.
On the Cherry Valley Farm.
Bugs Bunny would be very happy.
Got tomatoes.
Can I put the
potatoes,
price on each of these?
Ooh. Return to nature plant walk going on the farm today. Mushroom farmer loves the rain. Look at all that.
Come on, ladies.
Chicken tractor.
Good.
Moving them on to fresh pasture.
Fresh pasture, ladies. Come on, come on. Giddy up, giddy up.
Shishito harvest on this cloudy, wet Wednesday. Veggie Mobile.